Pippin's channel. Well, today we're making wet shortbread for Grandad's birthday, and we know he loves shortbread. So the ingredients are plain flour, icing sugar and butter. We know you love a bit of magic. So we're gonna magic up the prepped ingredients here in 3, 2, 1, BAM! So the first step is to put the icing sugar and the butter into a mixing bowl.
A few moments later.
And then, now the butter. I'm just going to take the butter slippery thing. Next, you need to mix the icing sugar and butter till it's nice and fluffy. But you need a responsible adult to help you. So we've got Thor here. So Thor's going to help us and turn it on. He's having a bit of trouble. Why did you... It's just going everywhere. It's just going everywhere, Thor. Why did you put it all the way up there? Thor, can you stop putting it all the way up? It's gone everywhere. Let me have a look. I don't think Thor is very good at cooking. Nah, he's put it on to probably the full max. I can't see. I know. I think he finally listened to us and now he's put it down. To do it. Next, you have to put the flour into the bowl spoonful by spoonful. 1 spoon. 2 spoons. 3 spoons. Next, you need to put the mixture into a piping bag. 1 scoop. And jab it in. 1. That's a big one. Next, you need to pipe the shortbread mix onto a baking tray. Just like this. And now you need to get an adult to put it in a preheated oven for 6 to 8 minutes. So when the shortbread is golden brown around the outside, you need to take the shortbread out of the oven. You must get an adult to do this. Or Thor! Because it is very, very hot. Because we are very, very good grandchildren, we are going to test to see if it is okay. Oh, wow. Soft, but... Yeah, they're very soft and they're very yummy. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we're going to see you on another video. Bye!